Need to add Roman page numbers in Word Mobile but can't find the option? Don't worry, it only takes about a minute and I'll show you exactly where it is. First, open the Word document where you want to add Roman page numbers. Next, tap the Insert tab. Now, scroll down until you find page number, then tap it. Choose where you want the page number to appear. For this example, I'll place it at the bottom center, but you can pick any position you like. After that, tap Number Format. You'll see several numbering styles here. Simply choose the Roman numeral format. You can select either uppercase Roman numerals or lowercase ones, whichever you prefer. And that's it! Your document is now using Roman page numbers. Super easy, right? If this quick tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple Word Mobile tips. See you in the next one!